I'm Mr. Dahlman, the principal. Welcome to Norton High School.
Our reputation in the area is second to none. We offer many different electives. We offer many different courses for students. For example, the very students that are taping this show today are part of their elective program.
Hi, Ethan Bogoff here, senior at Norton High School. The past 4 years have been a blast. Now it's time to pass on a new generation. Let me show you the ropes.
My favorite thing about Norton High School is the people. I love the staff, I love the students. I think everyone is friendly and everyone cares about each other and cares about Norton High School.
I really like the students here. Everyone is super friendly. I think the students have a lot of personality, and I really like getting to know everyone that goes to school here.
The incredibly supportive student body.
Our students get to choose and learn about things they want to learn, which makes teaching them much more fun.
Students. I love the students. The attitude here is fantastic. I see people helping people all of the time, people having fun, and kids actually happy to go to class. I think the kids know I like them. I certainly enjoy talking to them.
I would have to say the students. You know, we get to know like all different kinds of people, students, and they all come to us.